Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Priscilla's Kitchen. As always, peel your potatoes, wash them and cut them into small pieces, guys. As you can see, I've missed you guys. In the next step, put them in a sufuria, add water to cover all your potatoes and boil them for at most 15 minutes, guys. The next step is checking whether your potatoes are cooked. Yes, let's check. Yes, they are cooked. I'm going to transfer them to a plate where I'll mash them from, guys. Yes, I'm mashing using a spoon. After mashing, add salt, black pepper, paprika, corn flour and breadcrumbs, guys. Mix well. I'm so excited for today's recipe. The next thing we are going to add is cheese. Grate your cheese. Wow, I love cheese, guys. After grating your cheese, mix well again. Continue mixing until all the dough is mixed up well, like that. You see, guys, huwezi jua ni viazi watu wangu. Just see. Grease your hands to avoid the mixture from sticking to your hands. Then make your shapes. Be creative. Stay with me today to see whatever I'm doing. I'm going to make some biscuits, potato biscuits, like that, guys. Kindly comment the country you are watching from. Comment and try this recipe at your home. After trying the recipe, share your video also and comment how it came out. Kindly, guys, continue watching my videos, continue subscribing, continue sharing and asking your friends to to subscribe. Wow, just see, potatoes can make very nice things. Then I'm going to deep fry them. As you can see, I'm deep frying them, guys. I know you can't wait to see the end results. Wow, just see, guys. Don't mind about how nilichukua hiyo part, but enjoy what you are seeing. They're so nice. Wow, I know you are loving it. Are you ready, guys, to see the results? Wow, just see my biscuits, guys. I wish you could be here to taste them with me. I wish. Let's taste them. Again, don't worry about my video. Wow, they are so nice, guys. So nice. So, guys, I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.